Okay, so this is my attempt to do a micro FPV, and so my getup that I've got is the Skyzone goggles here that I've got with the clover leaf and the regular lame-o built-in one, but gives you the diversity. And then I also got this camera here, the Spektrum FPV. I just got it at Hobbytown, and it turns out to be this tiny little thing sitting on top of there. So you can see I just got it sticky taped on there. This is a what are they called? Hub sand or something like that. Pretty popular. You could get them for probably about 30 or 40 bucks. Now, what's good about these, which I have also this Blade Nano QX, and this Nano QX just doesn't have enough power. You can see by the difference in the prop sizes. One, that's a big difference, but this guy just seems to have a lot of excess power, so significantly more capable of lifting the extra weight. I did put it on top of here, as you can see, but it barely could go anywhere. So this guy is optimal. Right now I've just taped the battery to the bottom, but when you buy this camera, it actually comes with, of course I can't find it now, a little Y cable. Oh, here, it's still stuck on here. So it was much easier to hook up to this, to the QX, because of the Y cable with the exact same connector. But since that doesn't work, I wasn't going to use the Y cable, and so I ended up just taping a battery on the bottom for the camera and using this. But eventually what I'm going to do is use another connector here and tap into this lot to the battery here. Not sure if I'm going to build an extra connector or just stuff it inside the connector. So anyways, let's take a look and see how it flies. Alright, here is the quad with the transmitter and video camera taped on top with the battery taped on the bottom. I'll just set it down here and show you the responsiveness it's got. Now that's in the stabilized mode. Now this is less stabilized. This is in the real unstabilized mode. Okay, so it turns out it was a Estes Dart, the FPV base that I was using. This little thing here. I'm actually sticking the whole thing with the camera in a Mobius action cam box, which I use for other purposes. But as you can see, it makes a nice holder. It doesn't even vibrate inside. So one other thing I wanted to point out was, to get an extra lead, you can buy this blue LED. The whole thing costs $3.99 or $3.49 and gets you the connector and a free blue LED. It comes with it. It runs off of the right voltage. Not that I'm going to use the LED. So this is the whole getup. It's basically the Dart, the camera, and the Skyzone goggles, which you can actually use anything that can read the Fatshark channels, because this is a Fatshark product, even though it says Spektrum. Spektrum and Fatshark got together and created this. And then these goggles, the Skyzone, are the 32 channel ones, which allow for reading the Skyzone channel, the Fatshark channels. I'm going to run a test with my dual diversity Skyzone screen, which has a DVR in it, and I'll record that so that you can see what the quality of the video is in another video. Thanks a lot.